Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Auto channel. Today I will show you guys how I check spark plug before I do the installation. I will have a 2014 Chevy Impala for the 100,000 miles maintenance. So spark plug is one of them. So here's the new spark plug. So here's what it look like, and have a sleeve to protect the ground strap to make sure the gap is properly. But sometimes this piece cannot protect it so well. So during the shipping, like have some vibration going on, the ground strap will bend, so it will affect the gap. Even the box say not here. Yeah, here it say like a pre-gap, but exception might apply. So usually what I would do, have a new cell spark plug. I would check the gap between the electrode and between the ground strap. Oh yeah, if the spark plug gaps not meet like the spec of the vehicle, it could cause like quite a bit of things like misfire, engine performance problem, like poor fuel economy. Yeah, so make sure to check the gap before you do the installation. And then I will run my finger nail up and down to the porcelain vertically and horizontally to make sure I don't feel any high spot, low spot. So just make sure no cracks. Yeah, that one's good. That one's good. And then make sure this metal piece is tight. This to the spark plug coil. Okay, so most of them pretty good. Let's put the rest aside. Let's bring the tool I'm going to use. I believe that's called a spark plug gauging or gauge. It looked like a quarter. So you can look online, or you can call your a local dealership for your brand. Like in my case, it's Chevy, so I call Chevy dealership about what is the spec for this gap between the ground strap and the electrode. They call it a spark plug gap. This one is about 0.043 inches, so around like 4 thousandths of an inch. So let's check that one. So usually what I would do, I start from the thinner side. You can see have some a mark on it. This one say a 0.020, and then I want to make sure mine is at 0.04, which is where my thumb at. And then 1, 2, 3, somewhere here. So I usually start from the lower side, so it's really loose, so I can turn gently. You don't need to put too much pressure. Once it stops, that's the number. So that one is a little bit over, because I feel some resistance, so I stop. And now looking at the middle of the ground strap, that should be at the tip of the electrode. So now it's around 0.045, so about a little bit wider than what we expect. So what I would do, I would usually just flip the tool, and then do a light tap. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit, a light tap, and then check it again. All right, that one's good. No. You know what? Nope. Still big. All right, I think that's good. Yep, 0.043. Yep, that one's good. So now I need to repeat the process for the rest of this. And then, yeah, the process means run your finger to the porcelain up and down and sideways. Make sure it's like you don't catch your fingernails not catching any high spot. And then make sure like this metal piece tight. And then now I can check the gap. Oh, that was good. 0.043. Yeah. All right, I have one good one, and then 4 to go. Oh, this is one spark plug. I checked. It's a bit too small. So it's not at 0.043 yet. So I'm go ahead and to use this part of the tool. I think go this way, and then yep, the left edge here, and then I can apply some force here. Make sure I'm not touching the electrode, which is good. So gently pry up a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of force. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, thanks guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. I will have a Impala spark plug replacement video maybe coming in the next couple weeks. Alright, thanks for the support. Bye bye.